Be delusional and manifest your specific person right now. Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is another manifest your specific person. And this video is going to be really exciting, and it's going to be just a lot of fun in general. I love being delusional. Sometimes there is a little bit of a negative connotation when it comes to, being delusional. There's always the saying like, oh, stop being so delusional. This is reality here, blah, blah, blah. Well, if you really think about it, if you think about that you can believe something to be true and that you believe that you can have something, in that present moment, you don't have that thing, right? And so the thing you're trying to think about, saying that your dream or anything like that, it's kind of a delusion, but once that dream actually fruitions into your life, that delusion becomes reality. So we're going to apply this kind of concept to your specific person, because I believe that you can have anything in your life. You have to just set your mind to it. And you just have to have a little delusion in your life. Before we jump right into this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button if you like this kind of video. Also, follow me on my social media where I kind of do a lot of different kind of content over there, so check that out. And I have a free manifestation cheat sheet, guys, free gift from me to you. And I talk about 34 of my favorite manifestation tips and tricks. So definitely check that out. If you are interested, just click the link down below, and without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So step number 1 is all about embracing positive delusion. So when it comes to, your specific person, what does this person look like? And also go very, big. Really believe that you can have this person. So whatever you're thinking about in your mind about, what they look like, what they smell like, the eye color, the kind of occupation that they have, what other cool, fun attributes that they have that you find really attractive. Think about all those things and envision this person in your mind. There's a lot of visualization is kind of played into this. And so when you have this big extravagant idea that yes, I can have this person, and that's like the delusion, you're able to obtain that person. Also, when we play along with this kind of positive delusion, we are shifting our focus away from things that will kind of bring us down, saying that like maybe you have some inner dialogue in your mind where you say, well, I have a bunch of pimples, maybe my teeth aren't straight, maybe my teeth aren't white, maybe my physique isn't the right way, so that person's not gonna like me, anything like that. We're gonna shift our focus away from that, because you are good enough. You are good enough for this person of your dreams. And trust me on this, I am like coming from a place that this is a personal experience, that I would always be very, judgmental of myself. It'd be I would say a lot of hurtful things to myself, saying like, this guy I have in mind, yeah, he's not going to be interested in me. Because, if he's already good looking enough, there's already like 5 different people that he might be talking to at the moment, and, I have a bunch of pimples or anything like that, or I'm too short, any of these, or I don't have like my shit figured out together, so I don't think that he's going to be like, interested in me. And so when I, threw the inner criticism and self-sabotage dialogue out the window, and I just didn't focus on that, because those things I was telling myself aren't true, and I focused on the delusion of having this person, they came right to me and everything that. So if you are right now kind of criticizing yourself, please stop doing that, because you're just doing such a disservice for yourself. You're such a beautiful person inside and out, and that you are worthy of this person. So get this delusion, get this idea that you are able to have this person in your life, because you truly deserve the love and adoration from this person. And step number 2 is now we're going to reprogram the subconscious mind. So we have the conscious mind, which is like, and then we have the subconscious mind. So the subconscious mind, there's things that like, when we're taking a breath, our heart's beating. There's a lot of things that are in the works that our brain is doing to kind of for the day-to-day life to happen, and we're not really thinking about those things. Well, we're actually like feeding our subconscious mind a lot of different things. Our brain is very, very powerful. So we have to reprogram our subconscious mind and stop those negative inner chatter happening in your mind. Because that's kind of really preventing you from getting the person of your dreams. And we have to really affirm and believe that we're able to have this person in mind. And our subconscious mind is going to help us with that, because if we reprogram our subconscious mind for us to believe that yes, we can have this person, it's going to be very helpful for us to obtain this person. If we feed our mind a lot of junk thoughts about ourselves, and that we just, a lot of self-sabotaging thoughts, then our mind's going to come up with more things to say to us that we're going to internalize that aren't even true about, the way that you look, anything like that, and those things are just not true. So we have to feed our mind really wonderful things about ourselves that, so then that will have a kind of a compounding effect when we are, when we're thinking about it consciously, as well as when we are reaffirming this new reality for us that we truly deserve. We are going to, throw those negative comments or things that we are internalizing before. We're going to throw them out the window. We're just going to ignore them, and we're going to bring a lot of positive beliefs about ourselves. And when we start doing that, we're feeding our brain a lot of new beliefs into our mind, and we're going to throw out the old beliefs. And so our words are very, very powerful. Our brain does internalize what we say to ourselves. And so I noticed that even with my friends, they say a lot of really mean things to themselves, and then they're wondering why, a lot of negative things are happening in their life, and a lot of actions that they don't like that are happening in their life, or situations they don't like are occurring. It's because the words that you say to yourself are having an effect on the rest of your life. And so we have to say a lot of wonderful, loving things about ourselves, for our brains to know that about ourselves, because our brain is taking information. So if we're telling our brain information, things that we don't like about ourselves, it's just going to come back to bite us, right? So, and also, we wouldn't say those really mean, nasty things to our friends. So why would we say that to ourselves? And so when you kind of throw out those negative self-sabotaging thoughts and replace them with really loving, wonderful words, loving things that you really love about yourself, it's going to create new beliefs about yourself. You're throwing away the limiting beliefs about yourself, and that's going to really strengthen your subconscious mind. And now your subconscious mind is on your side. It's not fighting with you, and that's just going to help you attract that person into your life. And step number 3 is we're going to faithfully hold onto our new reality. And what that means is that once we are thought of that delusion, that positive delusion, that yes, we can manifest this person, what they look like, what they smell like, their eye color, their physique, their occupation, their fun attributes that you really find attractive in that person. And once we visualize this person, and now we put a lot of positive beliefs about ourselves, and we throw out all the junk thoughts, we're going to throw out all the limiting beliefs that don't do anything for us, and we're going to really reprogram our subconscious mind. We now have to be very patient. We have to have faith in the process. We have to trust the universe, that the universe is on our side, and it's going to deliver this person to us. And trust me that, like I said, I used to be very controlling about my life. I used to try to be perfect all the time. I used to be like, these people won't accept me because X, Y, Z, da, da, da. And my manifestations never came because I was trying to control how the manifestation desire was going to come to me. But when I just relaxed, I was very calm. I was like, you know what? This person's coming, okay? This cutie patootie is coming my way, and I'm just gonna enjoy my life. I'm just gonna focus on having fun. And when that happened for me, that person came. And it was out of the blue. Text message came. I was having out sometime with my friends. It's at the restaurant, right? And that's really, really exciting. So your manifestation is going to be coming to you. And so you just have to have faith. You have to just put the patience and, relax that this person is coming. And so and the universe is going to deliver it to you in the most unexpected ways. And most manifestations out there, like 99.999% of the time, they came out just totally unexpected. So have faith in the process. Just relax. They're coming. They're coming. And so just keep on loving yourself, giving yourself a lot of love and adoration. Treat yourself to a lot of things. Keep up that happy energy going, and they're going to be coming on your way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. Comment down below if you really like this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions for me about law of attraction, I would love to hear from you. Also, reminder, I do have that free gift from me to you, and it's that manifestation cheat sheet guide. And in this guide, I'm highlighting 34 of my favorite tips and tricks about manifestation. So if you like your copy, just click the link in the description box down below, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.